This article is titled Psychoeducation for Depression, Anxiety and Psychological Distress, a meta-analysis, and was authored by Quijos P.M., Griffiths Kathleen M., Don Katara, and Christensen Helen.
Given the high prevalence and burden associated with depression and anxiety disorders and the existence of treatment barriers, there is a clear need for brief, inexpensive and effective interventions such as passive psychoeducational interventions. There are no published meta-analyses of the effectiveness of passive psychoeducation in reducing symptoms of depression, anxiety or psychological distress. Papers describing passive psychoeducational interventions for depression, anxiety, and psychological distress were included if the research design was a randomized controlled trial and incorporated an attention placebo, no intervention or waitlist comparison group. Of these, 5 papers which described full research studies targeting passive psychoeducation for depression and psychological distress met the inclusion criteria. Although it is commonly believed that psychoeducation interventions are ineffective, this meta-analysis revealed that brief passive psychoeducational interventions for depression and psychological distress can reduce symptoms. Brief passive psychoeducation interventions are easy to implement, can be applied immediately and are not expensive. They may offer a first-step intervention for those experiencing psychological distress or depression and might serve as an initial intervention in primary care or community models.
We are article.tv. Links in the description below.